Brace yourselves because we're about to dive into the nitty-gritty details of a massive and formidable transmission unit. We're talking about a unit that's not exactly the friendliest when it comes to handling it on a tear-down bench or in your trusty building room. Weighing in at a staggering 75 pounds for the input assembly alone and a whopping 350 pounds for the entire unit, dry, without the torque converter, this transmission demands careful consideration and meticulous planning before taking it on. Trust us, this is not your average run-of-the-mill gearbox. Now, fear not, dear readers, for we come bearing valuable advice straight from the experts. Our trusted ATRA rebuild book suggests utilizing an engine hoist to both disassemble and assemble this mechanical behemoth. Make sure to have the right tools at your disposal, such as the T1260 AC from Adaptacase. This specialized output shaft nut spanner socket will prove invaluable during the process.